humans. I mean, fellow humans. Dude, this cold, this is the 9th day. And it's just like, it won't let go of me, dude. It won't let go. You know, and from some of the other people I've been talking to that have the same cold, they're experiencing similar weird issues. Where it's almost like, one chick was like, dude, I feel like I'm hallucinating. Like, it's hard to explain. I've experienced the same thing. Oh, cool. Look at this. Oh, there's one. Cool. 2. Cool. Look. 3. Oh, that's so rad. 4, 5, 6, 7. Neato, huh? Wow, that's cool. The fuck? Hold on. What? Oh, yeah. Like hallucinating while you're like walking around or like doing chores, or you stand up, and it's almost like your world has almost been digitized. It's like this weird like filter or something, and it's just bizarre. And I know exactly what they're feeling too, because it's almost like you're lightheaded. It's just, I don't know how to explain it, dude. I'm tripping right now. And your head is swimming. It feels 2 sizes too big. It's just, and like constant pressure. Everything's super quiet. It's just, oh my God. Leave me alone, you freaking cold. I'm tired of you. The power of Christ compels you. You have no power here, Gandalf Stormcrow. I think it's time to watch Lord of the Rings again. So, dude, so I'm gonna be visiting my father. We don't have the greatest relationship, but we've, you know, it's, for me, it's bygones. I mean, what are you gonna do? Hold a grudge? You know, he's not the greatest dad. He's not the greatest person, but he's my dad. I do love him. And I want to see him, and I want to take my son to see him too, because, you know, he's a good grandfather. You know, I mean, it's not great. He could be better. He lives in North Carolina. He moved there about 8 years ago. Actually, no, more than that. I think it's been 9 years he's lived in North Carolina. And he moved there for work. He works for Sierra Nevada Brewing Company. And they opened up their North Carolina branch and shipped his ass over there to head up facilities. So he's got his own office and all that fun stuff. Cool beans, you know. Anyway, I'm looking at airfare. Oh my God. Dude, it used to only cost like $400 round trip. Now it's like $700-800 round trip, and I want to take my kid. Dude, that's $1,600. You're crazy. What the hell? Dude, the future sucks, man. Like, we can't keep living like this, dude. Like, corporate greed is gnarly. It's crazy. Everyone says it's capitalism. No, capitalism's fine. It's corporate greed and government red tape. It's insane, the amount of fees associated with regulation and crap, dude. Oh my God. Anyway, let me run in here real quick. I'm gonna grab a little snacky snack, and I'll be right back. Wee woo, wee woo. I'm a little police boy. Thought Patrol. It's so fucking funny. Oh my god, bro. I pulled up and I saw that car. I was just cracking up, dude. That's so funny. Wee woo, wee woo. I'm a little police boy. Oh, Thought Patrol. Oh my god. Bro, that's ridiculous. Oh shit. Anyway, corporate greed. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Profit margins, you know? It's just all about profits. So they can expand. It's insane. You know, listen, I'm all about individual rights and liberties all day long. You know, you shouldn't be, you know, no one should be able to tell you how much money you can or cannot have. But my issue is once you get into like conglomerates, incorporated type stuff, where it's like it no longer, like now you're all about shareholders. You know, there should be some sort of like profit cap. You know what I mean? Like, and I'm not saying tax them, because we all know what happens when they get taxed. That goes down on other people. Like, that just trickles down into what the everyday person has to pay. You know, they're gonna say, okay, well, we're gonna make projected earnings are this much, you know, and taxes on that are gonna be this much, so in order to pay for that, we're gonna charge this much more. You know, it doesn't work the way people think it does. For example, like tolls. Portland or Oregon was going to toll 2 sections of 2 major highways, I-205 and I-5. And it was, people were estimating people would have to pay around $36 a day. Well, that's just going to and from work. Us in the service industry doing HVAC, we'd have to go back and forth many times, you know, or just completely redo the way we route stuff. But we wouldn't eat that. We'd pass that on to the consumer. But you know, like put a max, like it disincentivize them making that much money. It's insane. It just doesn't, the mind boggles, and it's truly just evil at that point, because you don't give a damn about the people at all. It's just about making the shareholders happy. You know, well, in order to save $50 million this quarter, we're going to go from 2-ply toilet paper to single-ply toilet paper and limit bathroom breaks. You know what I mean? Like, that's the kind of shit they do. Amazon. That's the kind of stuff that they do, man. Anyway. Airfare. Yeah, expensive, dude. Expensive. Like, I'm just trying to go see my dad. Like, is there a way I could sit on, like, on the wing, you know? Like, I'll just bundle up, me and my kid. Cargo bay? Like, why do we have, like, I don't get it. I understand fuel's expensive. I know. Anyway, whatever. It's just irritating, and it's disheartening. And, you know, it's not just for me. That's freaking everybody right now. You know, if you say we're not in a recession, right. Things are worse now than they were in 2008, I'll tell you that right now. to the grocery store a couple days ago, filled up 3 bags. And I wasn't getting anything crazy, you know. Milk, sour cream, some vegetables, some meat, cereal. 3 bags, $108. Saying, air travel sucks. My battery died, and I just got close enough to home. Didn't have a spare battery on me, but anyway, I'll just finish that. Oh, I didn't time my thing. We'll finish this video right here. Sorry about that. I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.